Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Raspberry Pi OS. Let's begin. This is my laptop and here is an SD card and its adapter. The SD card is a 32 GB. The minimum requirement for installing Raspberry Pi is 8 GB. Now let me insert this memory card into the adapter. Now let's insert into the laptop. Now we can see that it is having a 29 plus GB of free memory. So I will install Raspberry Pi OS using Rufus software. Here you can see the Rufus software I had been opened previously, and here the device name is no label. It is a 32 GB. And now let's select the operating system by selecting here. The Raspberry Pi Buster is of three different variants. One is Raspbian Raspbian Buster with desktop and recommended softwares, and second one is Raspbian Buster with desktop, and the third one is Raspbian Buster Lite. Now click on start. Once I have been clicked on start, it shows a warning message that all data on device destroyed. Press OK, and it's deleting the partition at the moment and it's writing on the disk. As of now, I'll move forward to reduce the timing. Say it's 99.1% right at the moment. One 100% writing. Writing image 100%. So once it is completed, here we can see the start and close buttons. I had been opened my computer, and here we can see the boot where it has been created two partitions. One is boot and the other one is Linux operating system related partition, which is not able to show in the Windows partitions. So let's open boot partition. Here these are the files which are required to boot from the SD card. Let's remove the memory card. Here I am ejecting the memory card from the laptop. See, this is my Raspberry Pi where I had been connected my HDMI cable, and here we need to place the SD card. I had connected my wireless mouse. Now let me connect my keyboard, USB keyboard. Now let's connect the power cable, USB power cable, and this is my monitor. So it has been started booting. Resize the root file system. Rebooting in 5 seconds. Second, it has been started booting. Here the thunder light yellow color symbol indicates that its input is less power, where it requires minimum of 3 amps, but here I had only 2 amps. See, the desktop has been appeared, and now here we had a message that welcome to the Raspberry Pi desktop. Before you start using it, there are a few things to set up. Press next to get started. So let's click on next. Here we had country, language and time zone. So as I'm in India, let me select India. Now let me select the language, English. So let me check use English language and press next. Setting location, please wait. Here the pop-up has been displayed. Now here I need to enter the password and confirm password for security reasons. And now press next. Actually it should be checked here, but I'm not checking right at the moment. Actually I had a black corner in the screen. As of now, just press next. See, here we can find some devices, wireless devices. See, those are the two wireless devices, but skip right at the moment, just skip it. Here it has been displayed that update software. We will update it later through command prompt, so just skip it. And now just press restart to restart the Raspberry Pi, and it has been restarted. Just the OS has been completed installing, and some default settings has been set right up to the moment. See, here is the desktop. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.